welcome back to yet another video, and this is another video on Planet Coaster. As you can tell, I'm still full of colds, so if I sound a bit naff, that's why. But yeah, we're back on Red Force. I'm doing another one of these videos because I've been, well, this was filmed in the half term a couple of weeks ago, but I've been really enjoying building Red Force at the moment. It's really fun to build because, as you can see, it's all art ships. And today we're doing the queue line, and that's pretty much it, all we get done. Then next episode we have the joy of doing the bloody station, which was awful. So you get to see the absolute hours that went into that. But yeah, these little canopies that go over the top of the queue line are very strange. They have weird patterns on them, like they have like little, looks like pizza almost, like little triangles, and so I had to recreate that, those like shapes and things. So it wasn't too difficult, but from the underneath it looks a bit naff because you can see like all the blocks. It doesn't look like the shape it does on the top. So from the top it looks decent, but from beneath I may have to like fix it somehow. I'm not sure how though. But yeah, that's pretty much all we do. It's a bit scary because we're nowhere near finished this project, and I'm already on I think it's some like 40,000 pieces because of the amount of pieces I've used from just from the sign and these sections and the station and things, which is a bit worrying because I've had to make them all custom buildings. But yeah, over the week I've been looking at what I actually need to do to finish this project, and I've realised that it's scary because there's these, if you've ever been to near where Red Force is, you'll know that there's these Italian themed buildings because it's all about Italy. It's Ferrari, and they have like the Colosseum that's in Rome and things, and they have like some of the famous buildings. So I'm gonna have to recreate them buildings, but they obviously have loads of detail, so I'm just gonna have to do a watered down version of them, I guess. But so that'll be fun. But yeah, it's been weird because I've enjoyed using these art ships to make everything custom. It's been actually quite enjoyable, and one of the main features that I'm building at the moment, which is the grandstand, is looking great, and that's made all out of art ships and things. So I'm really liking the way this project looks because it's all really realistic and things. But yeah, you can see there I've actually got the entrance sign all done. I used the Theme Maker's Toolkit. I did that off a video, but I followed somebody's tutorial to do the TMTK item because I had no clue myself. I've used Blender before, but it was I hadn't used it for TMTK and stuff, so I needed help doing that. But I'm quite happy with the way it turned out. One of the colours, the Force part of the Red Force sign, is white instead of black, even though I put the colour as black, so it's a bit weird in that sense, which is a bit annoying, but I guess I'll just have to put up with it, or later date I can redo that, even though I don't know if I can be bothered to do that. But yeah, I might not do that, but maybe, who knows. But yeah, I'm quite happy with the way art came out. As you can see, I'm using Sean's videos, Theme Park Worldwide, to actually recreate it, because you don't get many things off Google Images. I mean, you can see me there using the 3D Google Maps to see like the shapes and colours and things on the top of them, but for just general off-ride footage and things, I'm using Theme Park Worldwide. I used a bit of Coaster Studios and things, just so I can get it. And it's good because there's plenty of like POVs, and everything's in such a tight area that you can easily see what you need to do. And I'm using like the POV from like when it first opened, when none of the trees or shrubbery had grown, and so it was just simple to really easy to just build because you can clearly see what's there. And then I use a later date POV, like one from last year, of Red Force, and then it shows me with all the shrubbery, so I know where the trees need to go and things like that, so it's quite easy to know where things are needed to go. So yeah, this was not much gets done in this video. It's a bit less stressful. It was enjoyable to make this part of the process. I mean, oh my god, next episode, I swear it actually murdered me. It was so painful, and I'm not sure if it looks that good. I don't think it looks great, but I've seen other people's recreations on YouTube. I mean, there's been like 2 or 3, and this is the closest I could get. Not people have done much better, but it's really tricky shape to build in Planet Coaster, and to build it out of art shapes as well. Anyway, I'll talk about that next episode, but you'll see what I mean, because I keep switching to Google Maps and things and all that to see. Right now you can see me working on the, what's it called, what is this, it's a TV screen that shows like the inside of the station looking out, and as you can see me doing there, I'm gonna film what they would have instead of like getting the real video. I'm gonna do that in Planet Coaster. Same with like the on-ride photos, like I do with a lot of my rides, which I think looks really nice. So I'm gonna do all that for the off-ride photos. I've got some really good ideas on what I'm gonna do for the actual final POV, because Lokin's Smiler recreation came out. I've been looking at how people have been making their final videos and things. Like Digital Dan, he did Swarm. I was looking at the way they blended the music together and things like that. And the score for that they're using for Ireland, they've got a couple of different songs and things. There's about 3, and they use like Nessun Dorma, which is obviously Nessun Dorma, and it's a great song that I get to use in the video. And there's some good upbeat songs that I can use for beat changes, and yeah, I'm just gonna really enjoy making the final product. So that's what really making me eager to make this project, and well, not rush it and get it finished, but just to see like how good I can get it, because I wanted to have something that I can be truly proud of in Planet Coaster. At the moment I don't have much, because I don't know, I've never been to that standard that, you know, compared to some people in the community that are outstanding at building. I've always wanted to be better, and at the moment my building, I don't think it's too bad. I mean, it's quite simple things to make, but hopefully I can see if I'm any decent with doing the buildings that are a recreation of the real Italian buildings. But yeah, we're coming up to the end of the video now. I hope you all did enjoy this video. Like and subscribe, please. That'd be very nice. I've got a couple of good videos lined up. I've got another Selva's Taker, because we have the park again, which is great, and I'm going to film that over the next few days. Well, you don't know when this has been recorded, but I'll probably have a Selva's Taker out soon. I'm not sure if I'll do any more 4K cinematics. There's going to be definitely a few more of these videos to come out. And yeah, I hope you all have an amazing day, and I will see you all in the next video.